Hello, Philip here. We're at Disneyland and the Haunted Mansion is right behind me. It might look a little different, and that's because we're here for the holidays. The Haunted Mansion has undergone the transformation, turning it into Haunted Mansion Holiday. In Haunted Mansion Holiday, of course, Jack Skellington takes over the Haunted Mansion and he fills it with a glorious combination of spooky, creepy decorations. There's a full audio storyline that you'll hear as you go through the attraction, as well as an overlay in every scene. Plus, there's a giant gingerbread that they make every year that you'll see in the Grand Hall. So let's check it out.
'Twas the nightmare before Christmas that rolled through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. This year he's decided to play Sandy Claus. But when Halloween creates Christmas, you might see a few flaws. And now, a dark carriage will take you away. Sit back, keep a close watch on all children, please. All good ghouls and boys must sit safe in their seats. Keep in their sleigh, all hands, arms, legs, or feet. Sillas a tus niños, tan felizmente. Los fantasmitos y fantasmitas deben quedarse en sus y en el coche se van maravillosos,
of the zodiac that rule of the future and transcend. 11 candles floating, their scent of mystery in the air. 10 telling tea leaves that swirl with secrets yet to share. On the 9th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 9 magic crystals that sparkle with a force that is pure. 8 balls of knowledge that answer with a truth that is sure. 7 pearls to keep my love.
Have you been good this year? Ho, ho, ho! What's this? Can you believe your eyes? I like this. What's this? It's all good here. Sugar and spice, naughty and nice. Have you
Drove out of sight.
This world will not forget my Christmas night.
Hurry back. Hurry back. Be sure to bring your Santa Claus sack.